the moment. I am so happy. I've been waiting for this moment for a very long time, for the past almost 2 years now. Not 2 years, but at least almost 2 years. I've been waiting for this to come and get it. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube, people verifying their AdSense account, verifying their AdSense account, verifying their Google AdSense, and just see how we just came in. Just so simple. This is not simple. I'm just using the word simple because it takes hard work, sleepless nights, creating content every single time. I need to show up for my viewers. So now it is here. So we are going to verify my address now. You know me now, as I used to do. I love to come and do it live and direct with us. I said I'm going to show us the process from the beginning to the end of this monetization till I will get my first paycheck. I'm going to film it from beginning so that maybe when I want to monetize Grow With Ganny, I will not need to go and be looking for other people's video to verify my account again. I will just to go out the process. I will just have to come back to the same Grow With Ganny that I'm recording. I'll just say, okay, let me go and follow the step one by one there. So that is how I'm documenting this journey. Some people a lot, even I've watched one video today, she's explaining. She doesn't show me. I will show. I am your teacher. I will show you step by step. I show you from the beginning, the first level, the second. When I got to the second level, when I do my identity verification, now it's address verification. So we are going to follow it step by step. So before I will do it, let me take you to my phone because I did when they send it to me. Let me check the distance between when they send me the email, and let's read the email together. Then we can now go and verify it. So let's get right into my phone and my computer because I'm going to use the two today. So let's go into my phone right now. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So right now you can see I am in my phone. So we'll go to the email because they sent me email. I want to check. Okay, yeah, this is before this email, after they sent identity verification successful, I've done that. Okay, so the video is coming because I've already scheduled it for next week. You will see the video. So this one will call follow after. Then I received this. They said verify your address to receive payment from Google. You can see verify your payment address in AdSense or AdSense for YouTube, so that I can be able to say we sent you a payment identification number email on November 14 to the payment address you provided to us in AdSense, okay, or AdSense for Google. So when you receive this payment mailer, click verify your address in the email and then enter the PIN. Importantly, so sometimes he said if you did not verify this within the 4 months that they send it to you, ad will stop showing on your. If you did not verify your address, that is why verifying your address is important. Said if you have problem with your address, that if case you have problem, it usually take 3 weeks to get your PIN into a mail. 3 weeks. So I want to count whether it is up to 3 weeks. They said they send it 14th November. So receive it on the 21. That means it takes me only 1 week to receive my own PIN, simply because in Europe this is working. So I'm going to make a video. Mistake you should avoid when you are asking for your Google AdSense. So I'm going to make the same video. So be expecting the video maybe after this one. So I'm going to show us the video, the mistake that you should avoid. So you need to watch it if you are my follower, my people, my family, the Ghanese family. Okay, if you are Ghanese family, then you need to watch it. Okay, so now we have seen the email. Then let me take us back to my computer because that is exactly where we are going to do it. I love to do things on computer. And then we are going to open the PIN we are going to open the pin together. I'm going to open it with us here. Okay, I'm going to open this with us. Okay, so let's go to the computer. So I'm in my computer, as you can see. So I'm going to my Google AdSense, which is opening. I click on my Google AdSense. So once I click on it, where I'm going coming here to come and click on verification check. So as you can see, your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. You come to the payment here, or you can click on action, either of the two. Anyone you click, either payment or you click on action, any one of the two is going to take you to where you are going to verify your address. Then you click on verification check. Once you click on verification check, it said verification address verification attention needed. Okay, here is my address because I put myself on top of my address. Where I am covering my address is there, and if I can show you, they said sent from the email I read. You can see sent. I'm going to cover my address, so let me put my camera here. So now I am here. Now you can see they told us that they sent it on the 14th, and the same thing that I got on the email is on the 14th. They sent it to my address here, so I covered my address because it's my personal. And then let's open this together. So they said the remove slide head. Okay, so I'm going to clear it. You see, I'm opening it with you guys, with my family. I'm opening it with you guys. This, I am super happy to receive this. So I'm super happy. So let's cut this place as well. Yeah, I cut the edge. They said to remove the side. Oh, too small. So I will not go and cut the. I will not go and cut the. So you have to tear the three together. Okay, because I don't know where they put the pin. No. So we are going to open it. Oh, I will not show you. So I've opened it. Actually, the pin is somewhere here. You cannot see it, but it's somewhere here. Okay, so the pin is somewhere here, and I'm going to put in the number. So I'm going to use myself to cover the number. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do here. You can see where I am going to put it is here. So instead of me blocking it, I'm going to use myself to block it, so you don't need to see it. And then I'm going to type the number inside here, so you can see the number is with me here. So I'm putting it. And don't forget, you have 3 attempts to do it. Then make sure you cross check, follow the instruction very well, read it, take your time, and make sure you cross check whether the pin is correct. Okay, it's 6-digit number. Okay, you can see it then. So all you need to do is to click on submit. Voila, address verification complete. Thank you, Google AdSense. Thank you. So I want to reload it so that this thing can leave the place. So you can see I've done my address. Everything has been completed. So that is just it. And now we can see that I've been able to done my address verification so easy and simple. So I'll put in the description, if you want to do your identity verification, the video that I've done already, I'll put it in the description. I might put it at the cards, or I might also put it at the end cards. Depending on the way I put it, you need to check it out in either of the 3 places, how I'll be able to verify my identity. So in case it is identity that you want to verify. So thank you for watching, and then you need to watch this video on your right to be able to verify your identity, because it was so simple to follow it step by step. As your teacher, I will teach you step by step. So with that, I will say thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.